Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens, where timeless design meets inspired living. Every remarkable space begins with a vision. It is the belief that even the simplest environment can become something extraordinary through thoughtful planning, quality craftsmanship, and a deep appreciation for beauty. Great design is never just about appearances. It is about creating spaces that encourage comfort, connection, creativity, and lasting memories. The most captivating homes are those that balance strength with softness, elegance with functionality, and modern innovation with natural warmth. Carefully selected materials, inviting textures, harmonious colors, and layers of light all work together to create spaces that feel welcoming throughout every season. When every detail is considered, a home becomes more than a place to live. It becomes an experience that reflects personality, lifestyle, and a sense of tranquility. Luxury today is defined by intention rather than excess. It is found in open spaces filled with natural light, handcrafted finishes that tell a story, sustainable choices that respect the environment, and timeless designs that remain beautiful for years to come. Whether inspired by contemporary architecture, organic materials, or artisan craftsmanship, exceptional interiors and outdoor living spaces share one common goal: to create an atmosphere where comfort and sophistication exist in perfect harmony. Thoughtful design also encourages us to reconnect with nature. The gentle presence of greenery, warm natural materials, soft lighting, and calming outdoor environments reminds us that our surroundings have a powerful influence on our well-being. By blending architectural precision with organic beauty, every space can become a peaceful retreat that inspires relaxation while supporting modern lifestyles. Innovation continues to reshape the future of home design. New materials, sustainable building techniques, intelligent technologies, and creative architectural concepts are opening endless possibilities for homeowners and designers alike. These advancements allow spaces to become more efficient, environmentally responsible, and visually stunning without sacrificing comfort or character. The future of luxury lies in creating homes that are not only beautiful, but also adaptable, resilient, and designed with purpose. True elegance is found in the details, from carefully layered textures and balanced proportions to the subtle interaction of light and shadow. Every element contributes to an atmosphere that feels effortlessly refined. Rather than following temporary trends, timeless design embraces quality, authenticity, and enduring appeal, ensuring every space continues to inspire for generations. At Modern Homes and Gardens, we celebrate creative ideas, architectural excellence, and inspiring spaces from around the world. Our goal is to share innovative concepts that spark imagination and help you discover new possibilities for transforming both indoor and outdoor living. Whether your style is contemporary, minimalist, organic, or luxurious, thoughtful design has the power to elevate everyday life and create spaces that truly feel like home. If you enjoy exploring exceptional architecture, luxury interiors, beautiful landscapes, and cutting-edge home design ideas, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Modern Homes and Gardens, and join our growing community for more inspiring design journeys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.